so today we're on the caddy. We're going to fit the auto light switch. This is it here, auto light switch. Also comes with a sensor. What's here? There. So yeah, switch around. Let's get the first one's first. Gotta take the screws out. So you have one here and two here, one there and one there. That's actually behind it. I've already took them out. They are, that's it, and they are size, let's see if you can see it. Size are they? T25s. Yeah, so T25. Took 3 of them. When you've undone them, it just pulls off. Just pull your dash at the bottom, it comes off like that. I've just took this side panel off. This just pulls off. Get a flat screwdriver behind it, pop it off. Get the top, pull the top. Yeah, pull the top out like that. Now it'll drop down like this. So we've got to disconnect this wire here. Take this out. Put the new one. So yeah, let's get this out first. There is a clip there to unclip it. Then yeah, we'll look at how to get this out. So that's the wires disconnected. That's for your switch, light switch. Just pull that down, pops out. Push this one in, pops out. Should be 2 reader. Well, your connector. Push these clips up and this top one down, and it pops out the back. So that frees this up. Alright, so on these, there's clips all the way around here. Use me pushing in around. Let me show you on this one. So it sits like that. See these clips on the side? These push in either side here, and this should then push out the front. So yeah, we'll do that. So there we go. That's the old one out. Like I said, there's a clip there and a clip there at the bottom corner here. Just push them in, push at the same time, and it pops out the front. So we'll get the next one in. Exactly the same way, just push it in. And there's the flat bit on the bottom that obviously goes to the bottom, and only go one way in. And we do this one-handed, it's a bit of a pain. Come on. Right, yeah, so it just pushes in, line it up and push it in, and it'll go in. So there we go. Like I say, see you line it up properly, it will go in. So that's the new switch in. Right, so next will be the sensor. What you want to do is work out where you want your sensor. Mine I might stick in here, just out the way. So yeah, might stick it in there, run the wire. This pops off, this cover pops off. Just lift this cover up here, thread the wire through here and into the back here. So yeah, I might put mine there. So there again, I might put it up there, out of the way. Then we'll see. Anyway, you need to thread this through. So yeah, we'll do that next. There we go. Like I said, I've thread it through here, up through the top here. It comes out of here. Run the wire straight across here, and I've stuck it just on the back of my dash here. The wire just tuck under that corner, so it's out of the way. take sticky off, stick it on the back here and tuck your wire down there so it's all underneath my dash here, and it will come out here where I need it. So yeah, so that's where my sensor is. So I'm going to put all this back together, then we'll start down here. So it's all back up, so we're just down to this bit now. So on the end of your sensor here, see this plugs in to your switch on the front, and the back is where your wire, original wire, plugs into. So yeah, I'll just connect that up and I'll come back and show you. So yeah, just pushing your OB connector, that just pushes back in, flip this back in. Right, so on here, your sensor goes in first, plug your sensor into your new switch, then your original wire connects into the back of that. You'll hear like a beeping noise when you connect it. So there we go. All it is put the dash back on, just push the top in, tuck the bottom under so it curls under, and put your screws back in. It should be all good. So there we go, all back together. Sensors up there. So yeah, this is off eBay. So just going to see if it works. Try covering the sensor and it's not working. It's not flicking my lights on, so I'll just wait till it gets dark. I can turn my lights on, they all work, side lights and fog lights and everything else, but the auto light on don't seem to be working when I cover the sensor. So yeah, I'll wait till it gets dark and we'll have a look then. So it's kind of getting dark. Let's see if this auto light switch works. Oh, and it's come on. And it works. Let's turn it off. Like so. Side lights. Main beam. Side lights. Auto lights. Yep, so they work. Bonus. That's what I like to see. And it has to start to rain. So there we go. That's the auto switch to a caddy. Done. Brought it off eBay. Pretty cheap really. Weren't expecting it to work, but it has. Works fine. So bonus. So if this has helped you out, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. See you next time. Stay